You know when the power goes out and everything just stops for a second? The fridge is off, the Wi-Fi is gone, and someone's phone is sitting at 6%. Then comes the classic question, what now? That's exactly where the Anker SOLIX F3800 portable power station comes into play. This isn't a small battery that will charge your phone or run a lamp. It has an insane 6,000 watt output and is built to keep the important stuff in your home running when the power cuts out. The Anker SOLIX F3800 portable power station is built for some serious home backup. You get a 3,840 watt hour battery and a 6,000 watt output, which means it's going to handle your appliances without breaking a sweat. You name it, fridge, washer, air conditioner, RV appliances, and if you own a Tesla, even that too. The system starts at a 3.84 kilowatt hour, but it can grow up to 53.8 kilowatt hour with extra batteries in another unit. So yeah, in simple words, depending on your setup, you can support a home for days. To be honest, this thing really knows what it is. It's big, but in a composed way. The wheels are great, making it easy to move around. The handle is solid, and overall, it feels designed for people who want a low-key power backup solution that's always ready when they need it. The headline feature is the 6,000 watt output. That gives you enough power to run several appliances at the same time. And with both 120 volt and 240 volt dual voltage support, running bigger appliances is nothing more than a walk in the park. And once you pair two units together, you can reach up to 12,000 watt, which is massive, turning this into a complete system capable of powering your home. Not to mention the solar support, which is awesome too. With up to 2,400 watt of solar input, it can be charged directly from solar panels. And if you connect it with the Anker SOLIX home power panel, it gets even smarter. In self-consumption mode, the system can detect power from both solar and the grid, use solar energy to power your home, and store excess energy in the Anker SOLIX F3800 portable power station for later use. In daily life, this product you only truly appreciate when things go south. During an outage, with the home power panel setup, the system can automatically switch to the Anker SOLIX F3800 portable power station and supply up to 12 selected circuits connected to the backup load center. So instead of running around with extension cords, you can keep the important things in your house running smoothly. For RV owners, the built-in RV ports are extremely useful. And for EV owners, charging directly at 240 volts becomes a handy emergency option. Who is it for? The Anker SOLIX F3800 is for homeowners, families, RV users, solar users, and everyone who deals with frequent power outages. And if you just want to charge your phone, it's probably not for you. That would be like buying a truck just to carry a sandwich. Before we wrap this up, here's a quick heads up. Prime Day is coming up this June, and Anker SOLIX is bringing some of the biggest discount of the year across the backup power lineup. So, if you've been watching these power stations for a while and thinking, yeah, I like it, but maybe I'll wait for a better price, this is exactly that moment. The deals are expected on products like the Anker SOLIX C2000 Gen 2, the F3800 series, and more. So whether you want something for basic home backup, RV trips, or more serious whole home power setup, this is the time to go for it. And as the cherry on top, Anker SOLIX is also adding gifts with qualifying orders, which is always nice because, let's be honest, free extras make any deal a little better. Plus, there's a 30-day price guarantee. So if you buy now and the price drops later, you're not sitting there feeling like you clicked too early. Anker SOLIX has you covered. So yeah, if backup power has been on your list, Prime Day is the moment to take a serious look. The Anker SOLIX F3800 portable power station feels powerful, practical, and flexible. It gives you huge output, expandable capacity, solar charging, EV support, and a very convenient setup. Keep life moving when the power stops. So if you want a backup power for your entire house, the Anker SOLIX F3800 portable power station is definitely worth checking out. And please tell me in the comments, during an outage, what's the first thing you'd want to keep running?